Hello, everybody. We are going to be working on a. Oh, is this it? I think we're getting call. Let's take a look. See. This is Ben.
Hi, this is Ben.
Yes.
Hey, sir, this is Marco. How you doing?
Good, good. Yourself?
Good, good. So I wanted to give you a call because I know obviously we've been working with each other trying to find a Prius that will kind of fit that budget you were asking for.
Yes.
So I texted one over to you. Let me resend it to you just to make sure you have it. Give me 1 second.
And that's for that.
So
You're in Hayward, right? Sorry, it's just so many. Okay,
correct.
okay, cool.
Yeah, so I just texted you one.
Okay.
This is one that's available still. It's obviously pre-owned. I mean, it should fall right in line as far as the payment you're trying to stick to. Um, didn't. I guess I wanted to see if you would consider this one or not. But it is a
Okay.
pre-owned one. Obviously, if you want to take a look at it, I just sent the link to you. But that should fall right in line where you're trying to pay per month. Obviously, once we get the loan and obviously credit information.
And we're maybe where are we at as far as because right now, I'll be honest with you, there's a Jetta that's a brand new Jetta 2025. They're at 375 for 12,000 miles for zero down. So that's a brand new car. So if I'm at 375, it's actually 374 on that one. What are we at here on this? And I used, what is it, 2018? Yeah, 2018
So, like I mentioned,
Prius.
we'll have to obviously have your credit information.
Yeah.
But once we kind of have, like I said, that, or I can obviously give you numbers as far as just using average rates if you want to start there.
Yeah. Oh, this has 104. Yeah, I'm not interested in this one, to be honest. Too many miles.
200 miles.
Yeah, 20 miles.
Okay.
Yeah. But you know what? I do appreciate you trying to still look for this. I do like that you're not giving up on what I need. Definitely better than other dealers. They're just not really reaching out. So I do appreciate your help, and I I'll keep your number in mind if I see anything else that I need. Um, honestly, I do look for cars for other people, so I want to keep your number in case I see other things coming through. And I really like your customer service. The way that you're trying to help me. So hopefully this deal doesn't get through. Maybe we could talk about other deals down the road.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just so I can update the notes, are you saying you're gonna go with the Volkswagen then?
Still no. I still just keep me in your list. What I'll do is I'll email you the things that I usually look for, and then if you see something that comes through, then we could give me a call.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah,
Yeah.
just give me kind of what your criteria are.
Yep.
As far as like I said, a mile limit and stuff like that, and
Sure.
I'll keep an eye out.
Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, great. Yeah, he has great customer service. This is what a good salesperson is, right? He understood that my client or myself, we haven't discussed that yet, but my client is looking for a Prius, and it's just doesn't have the power to get into one for what his criteria is, like what he wants to do. Um, but he's still looking, right? He doesn't give up and just like, well, you know what? Let me try to get into this. Obviously, that car had too many miles, and I wouldn't pay close to $10,000 for that car. There's 17,000, I think. But anyways, he's looking, trying to see what I need and trying to get a car out to me. So I do appreciate that. Something that we want to call out. Good salesperson. So all right. That's let me take a look. I'm gonna try to keep him on my contact list from anybody around Georgia, or just shipping or anything. All right. So next one.